Okay, today we're just going to do a quick look at the different sections of the story page. So this is your preview. This is previewing the story that you've created. Down here are thumbnails. These are the media that's in your story, all the individual medias that are in your story. Here you can change the size of them depending on how many you have in there, so you can see them all. You can click in this corner and just view just your medias at once, or you can go to your preview and do the same, just view the preview. You can also pause and play the preview of your story. You can mute and unmute here as well. Over here are the settings. Here's where you upload your files from your desktop. This is where you can upload files from your library. This is videos or images or stories that you've made in the past. They're always there in your library. This is where you can add feeds, and here's where you can add applications. You also have layout, where you can divide your story up into different cells and have different media playing in different sections. Then there are the settings. You have general, where you just change the name, give a description. You can change the poster for your story. You have background, where you can add backgrounds. Audio, where you can add audio to your story. And displays. Displays is where you can select the display aspect ratios. So depending on what kind of display you're broadcasting to, you can see how your story is going to look on that display. The individual media operates the same way. You can click on a media. They have their own settings as well. Same thing. General settings where you can name it. Audio and duration. You can set the whether you want the audio of that media to come through and play in your story. You have size, where you can change the size of each individual media. Visibility and positioning. You can set your media to cover the whole screen, fill the whole screen. You can scale it down, contain, etc. You can add borders to your media, and you can add backgrounds to your media, as well as animations. And over here is your broadcast button. This is where you click broadcast and select what displays you want them to be broadcasted to. And that's it for the basic story page. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this demo, and thank you for using Display.Stream.